Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. We said liquidity grab, yeah I heard that line. Every wick is set up, if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs, while the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the lore. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Drawing liquidity, cool, I get that. But drawdown hit, where the lesson at? Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next day's ease. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trade you skip, it's the risk. Your dreams and them candles. Say it's all control, smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula, just you and the chart.
Trade your own story.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like another. Yeah.
Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Paul.
Yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows.
Check out some news. So I'm sure everybody heard the U.S. started launching missiles again in Iran last night. Today we have USCB consumer confidence, Dallas Fed manufacturing, U.S. 6-month bill, 2-year note, 3-month bill. So we don't have to worry about any of this news until 10 o'clock. And 1 minute ago, Wall Street expected to rise as hopes for Iran peace hold. Sure. Not sure I believe that for 1 second, but hey, you know, who the hell am I?
Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback, stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap get filled real
Not sure why I'm looking at a 1 minute chart here. Let's change that over. All right, NQ is below VWAP. Trend is up for the overnight. Excuse me. Asia session low is at 29,770.25. We had another all-time high last night. 29,995. Good Lord. Looks like it. All right. So we hit another all-time high on NQ. In the middle of the U.S. launching more missiles in Iran. That I did not expect. Look and see what YM is doing. YM is currently below the high day VWAP. And it made another all-time high last night as well at 51,209. Trend is relatively mixed. We're getting about to the opening price for last night. We are below VWAP, below the high day VWAP. And not making a whole heck of a lot of headway. They might be one of those just be long and possibly wrong type of days. We will see after the market opens, but and ES made a new all-time high last night, 75,069.75. Wow. That is impressive. These all-time highs are getting a little bit out of hand. Just with how many we're getting recently. Seems like every overnight session we got another high, another all-time high.
pullback, stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap get filled real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oh, too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for
Let's see what ES does with the overnight VWAP. Might end up taking a trade here in the next hour. It's a definite maybe. See if we can hit all-time highs again during the New York session.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack highs, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving.
It is kind of playing level to level, but nothing really strong. We've got two accounts going right now with Take Profit Trader. One of them is up for this morning 2,042.50. The other one is down 1,200. Not exactly sure how that happened, but actually I know exactly how it happened. I zigged when I should have zagged. The one that's down is a test account. So that's not that big a deal. Especially considering right now they're running a 50% off no fee sale, which you gotta love that.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult, yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack highs, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback, stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap get filled real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oh, too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits.
Anybody in a trade yet?
Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Chat go wild when the candle's long. Burn a candle, yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm, cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long-term, respect the stuff. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack.
Angie has probably made her money and locked herself out already. Seems to be how her mornings are going.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult, yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack highs, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback, stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG get filled real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oh, too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Chat go wild when the candle.
You did 2 trades. I took a little bit of profits and finished my second shower already. All right. You ready to wrap it up and begin your lazy day again? I like that. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to have a lazy day today. I'd really like to, but I don't think it's going to happen. It's going to be me flying solo today, so I think I have no David to keep me sane. So y'all are going to have to help me out a bit here.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack highs, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too far.
Am currently in a 30 micro YM trade. Seems like a lot, but I've got my stop loss set in profit, and I've just been adding to it. How many accounts am I going to trade today? I think I might only be trading a couple today. Let's see if I can get these two take profit traders passed and ready to go. And then after that, I had a couple of other accounts that I wanted to work on. I'll be copying my cash accounts to them after New York opens, so that'll definitely happen. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack highs, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right. Don't think I'm gonna do what I did yesterday. I think yesterday I traded 23, 22, something like that. But with renewed bombing in Iran and just ridiculousness, not sure I want to do that right now. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Basics only. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Market butcher. Oh, nice. Thank you. Appreciate that. So you can talk about your trading strategy or other things on your chart, please. Certainly. What you want to know? There's a bunch of hooligan here right now. We have ES 5-minute chart. Get rid of the trading concepts. And look at the 15. I am. This is all I do. I trade futures full-time and spend the rest of my time screwing around doing silly things. And by full-time, I like to trade no more than 3 or 4 hours a day. Doesn't mean I don't break that rule often, because I do. Just ask Angia, she'll tell you. So Angia, on the chart right now, this purple line in the middle is basically my center of gravity. This is where I'm expecting price to be pulled toward at any given time. The standard one deviation bands, -1 and +1. If it's trading within a range, I'm expecting it to bounce off that, come back toward VWAP. So in a trend, like through Asia market, I would have been long off of any one of these bounces. This one I like a lot, just because it actually got to VWAP. Limit orders through Asia session are great for that. Once we got this breakdown below VWAP, the next half hour, there's nothing in this for me. You don't know if it's going to continue through the -1 deviation band and keep going. It rejected off at once and then went through it, came all the way down to the second deviation band, rejected from that, came back up to the first and started playing with that one and came back down. So honestly, with this one, anything off that second deviation band, I'd be willing to take a long on, but only up to the first deviation band. I wouldn't try and hold it for anything more than that. Take a little win from the rejection here up to the -1 deviation band, cut the trade, and be happy with whatever it is that you made. If you're trading a couple of micros, great, you're going to make $100. If you're trading 10 accounts and copy trading them, you'll make 1,000. Honestly, that's it. Use the VWAP. You can look at any VWAP trade and say it's either gonna, obviously, either it's gonna bounce off it or it's gonna break through it. Here, it broke through. It broke through here, barely. This was the actual breakout, was a second 15-minute. Actually, let me put this on a 5, because most people are trading on a 5-minute candle or a 5-minute chart. Yes. All right, so at 6:30 a.m. We had a breakthrough of VWAP. It went through it. Second candle did close below it. This little break I wouldn't even count. That's 1 point not worth making a trade on it. There's no real follow through. This one had follow through, but when this candle closed, the next one opened up, came back up to VWAP, and then there were 2 red candles after that. This is your rejection right here. On the 3rd candle after that, this is your short play with your stop above VWAP. So if you were to go in short as this 3rd candle turned red here, you put your stop loss up above VWAP by a few points, possibly up to the first deviation band, and then you just let it go. And you can watch it continue to go down. I wouldn't have held it past here. Probably midway between, actually over here, probably wouldn't have held it past here. Once this green candle started printing, I would have cut this. Not because it doesn't look like it's going to continue down more, but nobody ever went broke taking profits. 49 to 36, you're making 10 points on ES. That's pretty damn good. It's $500. So as this one starts to turn green, I'd have cut out of this, waited for another move. And again, it's getting used to the waiting part. Waiting for it to break through VWAP, see if it comes back up to it, wait for the rejection, waiting for the candle closes on those rejections, and then waiting for the next candle to open and continue going in the same direction that you want your trade to go. It's really hard. It's hard to be that patient. It takes a really long time, and I'm honestly not that great at it, but I am learning. Yeah, you trade VWAP. I know you do. Anybody in here not trading VWAP? Using ICT or some other things? Getting a little bit of movement right now on MNQ. I don't know where it's coming from. Not a whole heck of a lot of orders on the book map right now. We have 23 orders up at 29,862.50. And we got little onesies and twosies down below that. We got 4 orders at 25.50. We got 6 orders at 25, 4 orders at 12.50. So it's looking like the orders above are higher, but price is still pushing down. Excuse me. Angie, people are going to start thinking I'm actually your dad. Angie had 2 micros long, 760 to 840 today. 760 to 840. So was that back here? Oh no, it wouldn't have been. It would have been down here. 760. So you took that bounce off of the second deviation band. $760 to $840. Wow, that's a nice trade. So essentially, you got in here. You got in around here. And cut it just above that -1 deviation band. That's a pretty trade. You cut it. I mean, a lot of people would say prematurely, but you cut it at the midway point between the first deviation band and VWAP, which is a lot of the time where that trade turns around. Halfway points they show up a lot. Bunch of movement at the halfway point. Angia, I'm impressed. That was a really good trade. Yeah, everybody keeps saying that. I cut it too early. I cut it too early. Unless you have a very specific, clear target and a really strong reason for it, you're not going to go broke taking profits. All that bullshit about, oh, you need a 3R multiple in order to be a profitable trader. It's not true. The people who say ignorant shit like that are not profitable. If I had been paying attention and not yapping, this right here would have been a lovely entry for a long scalp. But I was not paying attention, so I'm just going to sit here and be patient. So those take profit trader accounts, if you're doing 50Ks, they are actually, if you're doing any size account with take profit, they have a thing going on right now with a promo code. It's called no fee 50. So you can actually get those at 50% off and not pay an activation fee. Once you get funded, there's no consistency, and you can take payouts daily, which I really like that about them. That makes me very, very happy. When when you have a really outsized day, with most other prop firms, you hit that consistency rule. You need to have 20, 15, 20, 25, 30% consistency. And that is just, it's hard to trade that way. For me, anyway. But I'm used to trading cash accounts because that's what I did for probably far too many years. So with a cash account, there's no consistency rule. You either make money or you lose money. And most of the time, when people start off with cash accounts, they just lose. I did just enter an MNQ long. I'm going to see if this goes up to VWAP. If it does not, I'm going to cut this trade very quickly. I don't want it to go too far against me. Got an 80 tick trailer in right now. I think it's going to pull up here. But I am happy at least I took profits. Exactly. Don't ever worry about that R multiple nonsense. If you are making money, that's all that matters. Green is green no matter what. As long as you have more green in your books than red, you're great. If you have a high win rate, don't worry about how much you're making per trade. Worry about closing it when the chart tells you to. Good morning, Tim. How are we doing today? All right, I'm moving my stop loss into profit, so I locked in $35 whole dollars. This is only a 6 micro trade. And this is on a relatively large account, so I'm not looking to make anything huge on this. I'm just trying to stack a couple of base hits before New York, create a little bit more of a buffer so that way I'm playing with house money and not risking a whole hell of a lot. All right, made $32.50 on that trade. This goes back to what I was saying yesterday. $32.50. I make a lot of those trades. $32.50 seems to be that magic number on NQ. It is the break even plus a few ticks just to collect a little bit of green. And then when I get a runner, to try and let that go and add to it as much as I can as it's moving in a trend or in a direction. So that being said, it is very, very hard to continue doing that over and over and over again without going a little bit nutty. Taking those tiny little trades 10, 15, 20, 25 times in a row before you end up getting a good runner is so damn frustrating. NQ Trading, where are you from? How did you find us? I'm assuming through Dave's evening stream. Seems to be where most people find us.
Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics.
Gonna be a slow moving pre-market, and I may not be on that long today. I woke up at about midnight last night, and I've been doing this a whole bunch of nothing since then. Just could not get back to sleep, which really ruins my morning. Even though I don't do it a lot, I do like to sleep. U.S. futures rose while treasuries climbed as investors remain optimistic that the recent U.S. strikes on Iran would not derail Middle East peace talks. Now, why would missiles do that? seems silly. A little friendly fire between amigos. U.S. has violated the ceasefire again. That's what the Iranian foreign minister said. And it's strange that I actually agree with him. Ceasefire means stop killing people. Just stop. And I heard all they fired at a missile launch site. Okay. Then they were firing at boats because they suspected them of putting mines in the water. Okay. And I understand both of those things. But if somebody was to just start launching missiles, say the US had a whole bunch of oil and some other country had a larger army and they decided, hey, I think we're going to go over there and mess with those people and tell them they can't have nuclear weapons, and we're going to start messing with their oil production and sales. And they came over here and we were talking about a ceasefire after they basically just blew the shit out of us. And then they start firing missiles at one of the US's missile launch facilities. I'm pretty sure that no American would feel any differently than that Iranian does. That is a violation of a ceasefire. Just saying. Czar, what's going on? Anybody in the trade yet today? Other than me? U.S. strikes are concluded for now, according to Fox News. Somebody's statements that the U.S. military will protect forces while exercising restraint during these weeks. Okay. U.S. forces conduct strikes in southern Iran in self-defense. I kind of feel like that'd be like me breaking into your home and then shooting you in the foot, saying, yeah, it's self-defense. I came here, started punching you, stealing all your shit. You got angry, started fighting back, so now I'm going to shoot you in the foot and call it self-defense.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat.
IDF struck more than 70 Hezbollah sites across Lebanon. Good for them. So oil is sitting at a steady $92.68. It's been floating around that price for a little while now. I am shocked and amazed it didn't go up a lot more and stay up. But the fact that oil prices are down is great news if we want to make another all-time high today in NQ, ES, or YM. Back up Austin's VWAP indicator. Yeah, and MNQ, we made the London high just a little while ago. Don't have that far to go to make the all-time high again on NQ. Let's start placing bets now. Who thinks it's gonna get there? Hey, good morning. You know what's really really sad? 60-hour no libs. Does anyone believe anything the US says anymore? Because I don't believe any of them. I think they're all full of shit.
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but
My take on the news.
one of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks
See what else we got here.
you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market.
Iran does not require and has never sought American recognition of its illegal sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz. Yeah, why the fuck would they? Can't remember what US president it was that said we do not need to cross the ocean in search of enemies to fight. Went short at 862.50. 862.50. All right, I dig that. Those small breakthrough VWAP, created the London high, came through VWAP. Went back to the, nah, I actually don't like that. I see what you did. That's just not it's not my favorite setup. Looking for 831.
Couple base hits.
So you're looking for low of day VWAP
We just getting loud right now.
or low of session VWAP.
Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too.
Yeah, I think if you have a wide enough stop loss, that'll work out for you.
Kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by
I'm not sure I'd want to have a stop loss that wide though.
set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market's even. I'm just stacking.
Maybe a London high.
36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweep those stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands.
Yeah, I no longer believe that the US is more credible on that front. Just look at the fact that we're holding Tanzania hostage right now for mineral rights. I mean, now I'm not saying Iran is in any way, shape, or form a good government, but the way things are going right now, neither is ours. And unfortunately, all these bootlickers that are just all gung-ho behind it are the same assholes who were all up in arms whenever anybody did the same shit that this fucking guy is doing. It's the same guy who said, back when, oh, Obama's weak, he's going to get us into a war with Iran. Netanyahu flutters his fucking eyelashes at the copper-colored con man, and all of a sudden, we're bombing Iran. Netanyahu, or I'm sorry, Iran, Israel. Netanyahu has asked every president since Reagan to help them bomb Iran, and not a single one fell for that shit until this idiot. So, no, I don't think that the U.S. is credible anymore. They got a Fox News fucking host as the head of the Defense Department, and they renamed it the Department of War because it sounds tougher. No, I'm sorry. I don't think it's credible. I think Hegseth needs to go have another drink. Trump needs to go take his Alzheimer's medication, and they all need to just stop. Stop being would be perfect, but just stop getting on the fucking news would be enough for me for a week. But that's just an opinion. Hey, Darren, what's shaking? A bunch of weird ass sounds coming from this house. Sounds like there's a tea kettle going. I don't drink tea. So now I would be looking for a short on NQ off of a rejection off of VWAP. If it rejects off this and starts to move back down, I would do a short now from, let's look at the 1 minute candles here. Yeah, if it rejected off it and pushed down below 75, I'd start looking at shorts there. If it pushes through this, gets a retest or two, then I'd look for longs back up to London high. But I'm not, it's 8:06 a.m. and I am definitely not in a rush to get into anything right now.
Say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. Small wins, big losses, that's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady.
Secured overnight financing rate went up 0.4% on the 21st.
gamblers, we just hitting quick. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive.
Wow, there is no good news today. There's more shit to piss me off.
Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too.
Well, there was that rejection off of VWAP. Broke below 75. See what this candle does. See if I want to take a short here.
I'm just stacking little basics. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweep those stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it give me hit with the blitz. Now I'm
Not so much.
while the market keeps singing its song. Talking about KID in trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalping plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect
Oh,
the night.
yeah, I do actually. Let's put in my tiny little 1 micro short here.
Small wins, big losses, that's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up.
Giant trades.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hitting quick. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept. Yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you.
Keep that stop loss just below the London high.
You know what I mean? Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Miss the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweep those stops.
29.77. 29.770 for a target on that. Maybe it'll work out. Maybe it won't. I'm either going to make a little bit of money or I'm going to lose a little bit of money. But there isn't a whole heck of a lot of risk on the table right now. So I'm definitely okay with it. Anybody trading silver, gold, platinum, palladium, copper, tungsten, lean hogs, anything other than ES, NQ, or YM?
Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stock get swept. Yeah, that's that script. What's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Silver price is 76.30 right now.
NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying. I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming kind of looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move,
David,
staying patient.
get on here. I need some help.
Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick.
Candle dealer is long MES from 75.38. My stop loss didn't trigger like you mentioned before. Trade a bit. I'm an idiot. I can't even read. My stop loss didn't trigger like you mentioned before. Trade-A-Bait has been effing me over lately with their glitches. Anyway, I'm backing along. It's not just Trade-A-Bait. I've had that happen on every platform I have ever used. Happens on NinjaTrader, Trade-A-Bait, Thinkorswim, yeah, everything. IBKR's native account or native charts. Never seen one that doesn't occasionally even order a resting order, a limit order, just in the dust.
We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright guys, couple base hits. We'll take that.
That being said,
hey, what's up? Good
you're
evening.
long on MES.
Live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying. I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming kind of looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient.
That's good. You're in profit. Life is good. Wow, I'm down 13 bucks.
I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't check.
So recap for today's trades. What did they do here? I am down 1,200 in one account. I'm up 2,033 in another. And I am down $8.12 in this one.
Keep it tight, trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. Just stacking little bases, small wins, big losses, that's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Guys,
Not loving that. Get out of it now while I still can.
hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild, while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ, sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that, get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop beating trades. Life advice mixed with scalping plays. Someone sold early, now they regret, man. I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we been here before. Just stacking little bases. Small wins, big losses, that's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick. Then reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's
You're thinking it's going to consolidate here and then go up.
we trade again.
I think it's going to bounce around. I have a similar thought. I think it's going to bounce around a little bit until New York open and then start heading back up. See, to try and get to those all-time highs again.
6 people in the chat.
Looking at
Let's go.
book map on NQ, this is just getting ugly. It is no volume, no real orders. The only thing that we have on here of even a little bit of significance is a 43 order at 29,950. ES has got a lot more orders on the book than NQ does, and they're evenly spaced above and below. We got 225, now it's 75.25. We've got 120, 96, and 82 between 75.77 and 75.67. YM has got, again, evenly distributed orders both above and below the current price. And it's looking like a lot of those are algos. Oil still holding at 92.51.
Fake you out, then it dips quick. Then reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits.
Not sure what's going on with Bookmap now, but it's not pulling up gold or silver for me because it doesn't have the right contract set up. Getting a little bit fed up with Bookmap lately. Gold futures. Let's see if it does it this time.
All right, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Mr. Entry by a tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. Yeah. $36, don't waste it. Nah, NQ, sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that, get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like, what I do wrong? While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop D and trades. Life advice mixed with scalp and play. Someone sold early, now they regret, man. I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. Stacking little bases.
So Bookmap is being a royal pain in the butt right now.
Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright guys, couple base hits. We'll take that.
All right, so
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right
the M contract on gold sitting at 45,
6 people in the chat.
yeah, 4,510.10,
Let's go.
and
Opened up the chat, yeah, we barely got sleep.
there's essentially no orders on this.
While the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying. I don't trust you.
The highest number of orders that we have is 240 order blocks, and those are dead even above and below, and they're both algos, so we got nothing on gold for the day, or for this part of the session anyway. Tim, well, that kicked my ass. Time to reassess. Yeah, not the best short entry you had, but you traded in your Ducati for a BMW R1250, or yeah, 1250R. You know I care. I do. Just keep 2 of those wheels. Just keep both wheels on the ground. Yeah, I think I'm going to be taking a motorcycle trip from Detroit, Detroit to Costa Rica. That will be a fun trip.
We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. Ain't you crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win.
See if they give me any shit at the borders. They generally don't, but as long as you have all your paperwork in order, and for every country you're passing through, have a separate separate folder. Copy of your title, your TIP, and a copy of your basically just a printed out itinerary for how long you're going to be in the country, any hotel reservations you have, things like that. And yeah, takes about 15 minutes to get across the border to Mexico that way. Nicaragua is a little bit different. Nicaragua can be a royal pain in the ass.
I'm just stacking little bases. Yeah, 36 bucks, don't waste it. Nah, NQ sweepy stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up.
Yeah, right. Of course you do, Tim. But that's what, 2 losses this over the past 2 weeks. I think you're doing pretty damn well. Hell, I took a $1,200 loss this morning. Losses are a part of the game. And anybody who says they don't have losses is a liar and a scoundrel. And probably trying to sell you something. I wouldn't fall for that in any way, shape, or form. If anybody ever says that they don't have losses or has a 100% win rate, just run away. Yeah, Tim, this one bit me in the ass too. I lost 10 points on this one. I only had 1 micro win, so it's not a big deal, but I did lose 10 points on it.
All right, guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
Handle dealer, I have a 100% loss rate. What you ouching? The 10-point loss. Yeah, 100% loss rate. I think you need to reassess that situation there, candle dealer. Nice. I'm gonna buy your program and do the opposite of what you do. It just broke even after being green, then losses on the... All right, you can make that back. That's 643 drop. So 6:43, I'm assuming 8:43 New York time. No. This wasn't recent, was it? Oh, okay. Got it. Well, we still have an hour until New York Open. Price is going to start getting funky here in about 15 minutes. There's going to be a bit of up and down. So let's all just relax a little bit. Go get some coffee. Nobody needs to be in a damn trade. We can check out Candle Dealer's new coaching program. Bro, I'm right there with you. I've been up since midnight my time, and I'm fried right now. And New York hasn't even hit. So we can be sleepy together, and probably should just take very, very small size trades and not risk a whole hell of a lot. Candle Dealer got 60 bucks back from that unfair stop loss trigger. Yeah. You know what? I Gonna go grab some coffee, hit the head, take a little break, and I'll see y'all in, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I'll be right back.
Got banned on X 'cause of Chuck Norris clips. He rolled in from the Motor City, chrome on the hood, gold in his green.
And just first trade was $100 green. Nice. See, sometimes you got to take those break evens. At least I do. So y'all will be happy to know my toucans are back. Hadn't seen them for a couple of days. It was kind of weird. Going upstairs, go to take a piss, and you got these two toucans sitting on a branch outside your window staring at you like a couple of big-nosed perverts. But strangely enough, I kind of missed them. Looks like ES is getting a little bit of lift here. Bunch of filthy perverts. Enzo, was that you? Yeah, they're waiting for Fruit Loops. I'm going to take a scalp on ES long. Two minis in here. Hey, look at that, I'm up 1250. And now I'm down 1250. It's going to be that kind of day. Nope, not Enzo? All right. Who are you? Where did you come from? And I'm locking in 37.50. It's my break even plus a couple of bucks on my ES mini long. I heard a bloop, so I'm thinking Dave maybe in the background being a creeper, like he's a big-nosed pervert toucan. All right, now I'm locking in 87.50. Don't pull back on me now. Keep going the way I want you to go. Yep, there's Dave. He's in the background. I can see him. Nobody had to ask, where's Dave this morning? Midnight Creeper coming to steal your trades? Yeah. That's Dave. He's the Midnight Creeper. All right, made 87.50 on that trade. Not the worst thing I've done, not the best thing I've done. Candle dealer also made about 80 bucks on that one. Angie, it's never too early to ask about Dave. He loves the attention. Candle dealer, I trade micros. Yeah, that's because you're smarter than me. No, Dave is going to be on E8 Futures live stream today. So I'm sure he's just getting in here a little bit earlier to say hello to everybody and, you know, all that jazz. Let's look at the ES continuous contract. All right, here's a rejection off of VWAP. Let's see if it pulls back down towards the deviation band. We got a breakthrough, rejection, second candle's turning red. That's a 1 minute. Change that to a 5. So we got a rejection off of VWAP. We'll wait and see what this one does. Still above opening price, but
Hey, good morning, everybody.
good morning, Dave. We were just talking about you being a big nose pervert.
Oh no, what did I do?
Yeah, I said you were creeping in the background.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And just prior to that, I was talking about the weird toucans looking in my bathroom window when I'm taking a leak.
Oh my god. How dare.
Good morning, Skeletor.
I thought somebody was calling my name to come to the stream earlier, so I'm like, better get on.
It was everyone, actually. Everyone was, where's Dave? I miss Dave. Dave's so much more friendly than you. Dave's so much cuter than you. Dave's nicer than you. Dave.
Hey, candle dealer. Hey, good morning, Angia. 60-hour no libs in the house. Jerry, good morning, buddy.
We do have all the usual suspects this morning.
Sweet.
Which is absolutely lovely for me.
Yeah. And just like that, we got the coffees ready.
I think we should start taking bets on how many pots I'm going to have to go through today.
Yeah. Yeah, hey everybody, I'm going on E8 markets this morning with Abby Manzoni. So appreciate it if you guys pop in and say hi.
Oh, we're going to. We're going to have all of the stupid questions. Dave, what type of hair care products do you use?
So it looks like we've been pretty bullish here, hey? Since like midnight? Well, midnight my time anyways.
So, let's go back over this. I mean, level to level, all under VWAP from beginning of session. for ES. It's up, but not drastically.
Hey Zumane, I did get I got the pump. I haven't put it in yet. I actually decided to call a plumber to install it, and then he was gonna come over last night, and then he just like kind of disappeared on me. So so it's not installed, but I have everything now. So I got the pump, I got all the parts and everything. So
What do you have a Tico plumber?
yeah. Yeah, I don't know. He was busy. I called him last minute and he was busy. And then he said, "Oh, I just got to go home and feed." Last message I got one from, "Oh, I just got home 30 minutes ago. Got to feed my kid. And then I'll give you a shout." And then he just never got back to me. So
yeah, you're right about the NQ being pretty bullish.
yes, reject out VWAP there, eh?
Yeah, ES is rejecting off of VWAP. We got
It's very like gospel song, this one. Like gospel song. Monkey on the porch dancing. Mustang copy go.
So I am not thinking long until after this breaks through VWAP and shows a little bit of strength.
Yeah, this could be a little bit rough for NQ if ES doesn't get up there, right?
Yeah, I've been up since midnight my time, so I'm not in a rush
Oh my
to
Lord.
really do anything. I'm already down $1,200 in one account.
Shoot.
So
Yeah, I kind of made 2 bad trades last night, so I ended up taking almost 400 loser in 5 accounts. So two
yeah.
$200 losers last night. So putting a bit of a scar onto my my monthly calendar.
Yeah, you were having a pretty much perfect month.
Pretty good, yeah. I wouldn't say perfect, but pretty good, yeah.
I need to step away and clean my damn glasses. I'll be right back.
Sounds good. Hey, ForceFed, good morning. How you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. So I am up a little bit early because I want to be awake for the E8 stream this morning. So I'm a little bit less like a zombie. But it came at the cost of a little bit of sleep. Yeah, ES is struggling at the view up there. We got a bearish fair value gap from a little bit before, and now NQ is kind of looks like it's struggling a bit here too. Did we have any more news last night about the war or anything? I didn't really see anything. It looks like it's all FX items. Looks like we have consumer confidence at 7. It's not a huge impact, but might have some market impact. 10 Eastern Standard Time, I should say. We got build high yields, build bid to cover. Anybody take a long from the break of the VWAP there? Kind of wish I was here a little bit earlier. That little take and then a nice strong opening candle after that. Pretty nice. What do we got here? We have orders up at 925, 940, 930, 940 area to the upside. $75.44, you're long again? Okay, nice. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of holding a couple bullish fair value gaps, but we also have a bearish fair value gap on ES, sort of at 75.45. You guys have the same entry? Nice.
Just remember, it is 8:55 right now. So things are probably going to get a little bit weird here for a minute.
Might get spicy. Might get a little bit of spice here.
You excited to go on E8?
Yeah, I'm a little apprehensive, but I'll be all right, I think. I just don't like that I'm kind of coming off of not a very great day, so my confidence is a little not great at the moment.
Why? Because you took one loss or two losses?
Yeah, it just seemed like everything I did yesterday was just not working right. So I just,
You're a professional. Get over that shit.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm sure I'll be okay once that.
Goofball. Yep, did take a loss during the overnight. Let me look here. Yeah, I took a $1,200 loss, a $2,033 win, $143 win, and I think a $40 loss.
Did your oil trade ever get picked up?
Nope. Oil trade didn't get picked up. It's still sitting there, just waiting.
Yeah. So I'm in a long here. It might get stopped out if it pulls back at all here.
What are you in a long on?
NQ. Popping up a bit here. I'm targeting the 30s, but might not get there on this candle. So I got my stop already up at 23.
Wow.
Scaled in on this guy a little bit. So trying to get back some of that I lost earlier.
Yeah, NQ's looking a lot better than ES for longs right now. We're approaching the London high, 29,930. So we hit all-time highs again last night on ES, NQ, and YM.
Yeah.
That was just on individual accounts. So in one account, I lost 1,200. On another account, I made 2,033. On another one, I made 148. And then another one, I lost $80.
So I made a decision now is if I'm going to be trading Asia, I'm not going to copy trade 5 accounts anymore. I got to get it down to like 2 accounts or something. That's it, right? Maybe 1 or 2 accounts. Just
I like copy. Yeah,
It can go against you so fast, right?
I like copy trading New York. I do not copy that much during Asia or London.
So yeah, because what would be a $400 loser in one account, which is very reasonable because the two trades had lost, right? Instead, it was like 4 times 5, right? So basically $2,000. So yeah, still learning.
I don't know how Arbucci, how he does the Asia session scalping. Need to give him a call, sit down with him for an hour or two and figure out what the hell it is he's doing.
Yeah, because he's killing it lately, eh?
Yeah, he's been doing ridiculously well during the Asia session.
So I'll just for transparency here, I'll show you guys my screen real quick. So this is what happened yesterday. So I ended up actually I took 91 trades over the whole entire session yesterday from the morning till the night, which is substantially like double what I normally take.
Wow.
But I basically copy traded 5 accounts the whole entire day. So if you think about it, it's only like roughly 10 to 10 plus trades, but still it's definitely an outlier on the day. Only a 62% win rate. And so down 1.46K. So later on in the evening, I actually found a pretty good trade where I had only traded one of those accounts, and I basically got it back to break even. So
when you said you took 91 trades, I was thinking you took 91 individual trades that were copied.
Yeah.
Dave, what's happening? Go on tilt much there, buddy?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I still feel like it was a tilt day because it is an outlier day where I was kind of like, even in the morning, like, I was up 150 or 170 bucks in all 5 accounts. Then I took 3 losers or something in a row after that and chipped it down to like $0. And then, it just kind of all sort of spiraled a bit from there. So, and then I just took that one trade this morning here and made 250. So
all right,
trying to help these accounts get back to a normal situation here. So
it'll happen. Just take your time, do what you normally do, and you'll be fine.
Yeah, so I'm thinking to take the pressure off on the stream. I'm only going to trade one account because I'm already going to be on somebody else's stream, and so I'm probably only going to trade on one account.
Yeah, just disable. Are you still using the command pad?
I'll probably just take it on Trade Debate. So I won't use it on command pad. But I will
for anyone watching right now too, yesterday we talked about the lag a little bit in TradingView, and this morning I noticed it was significant, and that was before there was even any volume in the market. So just be real careful if you're using TradingView for your execution.
Totally. Mornings are.
If you're trading prop accounts that have Trade Evade as their native charting, just do it on Trade Evade or use the command pad.
Yeah, so I tried to connect the, Randy said yesterday about using the command pad on Trade Evade, which is, I like the idea, but the problem is I can't right click the Trade Evade chart to get a copy price. You know what I mean? So now I gotta go over to the trading view chart, right click it, go copy price, and then if I want to paste that price in there.
No. Just no. On your on your computer, do a split screen. Minimize the trading view, keep it on the right hand side. Open up your command pad. Right next to it, it'll automatically pull from Trading View or from Trade Evade instead of Trading View.
No. I mean, like I had it in, like I had it connected to my Trade of 8 chart. You know, like I had it beside my Trade of 8 chart. But
Okay.
when I want to copy the price to put it in, if I want to adjust my stop loss, like you can't right click your Trade of 8 chart and go copy price and paste it.
You don't need to. You can still do that from your trading view chart.
Oh, I see what you mean. So like,
You
okay, so do my entry exit kind of idea from,
Yep.
and then just keep it active on both charts.
Yep.
Like, okay, gotcha. And
You
then I
can minimize
right
your,
click
if you're using TradingView for your charting and your analysis, leave that one maximized, minimize your Trade-of-8 chart, and then you can right click and copy your prices right from TradingView and bring it over to the command pad.
Okay.
It took me a minute to figure that out. And by a minute, I mean like 3 days, because I ain't that bright.
Yeah. Because yeah, just Randy was saying like, well, if you do it on like have your command pad connected to Trade of 8, it's like it's a little bit faster because there's less lag on the candles.
Yeah. And there definitely is some lag in the TradingView chart right now.
Yeah, I noticed it yesterday too. So imagine
I noticed it was actually pretty bad this morning.
What's that? You're what?
I said it was really bad this morning.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah. Imagine in the future you'll have 1,000 people watching you on stream. Wow, you've had 1,300 subscriptions?
Yeah, we last on Sunday we were 1301 or something.
Dave, what are you doing? Bribing people to watch you?
You know, I have a lot of fun on those evening streams. I don't even trade that much, to be honest, and we're just like laughing and chatting and having a good time. So I think it's kind of a bit of a different it's like a different like genre or different style stream than most people see, right? So
yeah, there's no ridiculousness and no look at what I can do. I made $155,000 in 12 minutes trading 60 minis.
Yeah.
That sounds like a YouTuber that we all know and love. I just deleted all that guy's stuff off my YouTube, everything. Like, I can't listen to this bullshit anymore.
Is it Patrick Whelan?
I'm not saying his name. Yeah, of course it is. The glint in his teeth when he looks in the camera. You gave Candle Dealer $20 to watch him? All right,
Yeah,
to watch you? All right.
It has cost me quite a bit of money to get this many subscribers.
Yeah.
Oh, I got Riz on the evening streams? Okay, thank you, Forfed. So Abby streams 7:30, so I'll hang out here until a little bit before that. Yeah. I guess that's like an hour after market open. They got to let the morning heebie-jeebies get out of the market, I guess.
Well, what fun is that?
Wasn't it 7 last time? Maybe she was out on the town last night or something.
Maybe. I don't know. She's a wild one.
I saw some video where she was kind of like out on the town on the weekend or something. Looked like a fun time. I'm a little too old for that now, but I remember took me back when I was the good old days, right?
I don't want to go back to the good old days.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, because last time she said 7 a.m. PST. And this morning 7:30. All right, that's fine. More time. I actually like trading a little bit later, anyways. So hopefully it'll be a little bit. The price will have a good bias on the day. Maybe I can already in a trade when I join the stream.
The price action will have already shaken out all the punters.
Yeah. So I'm curious to see if we're going to end up holding the overnight VWAP here. That would be pretty good for the bulls anyways. Mustang Tropical. Oh yeah, I better. I'm just gonna update my VWAPs. I got my from the overnight VWAP there. I got the bands all running. So
Jesus, the heck is going on with your chart there?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, 45 lines on there, and I don't know what any of them mean.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get rid of here. There we go.
But then, I mean, to be honest, though, you look at my chart and there's like 4 lines on it, and they all are saying the same damn thing.
Okay. Ralph's rubbing his ear over there, so gotta try to stop him. Ralph is rubbing his ear, so I gotta try to stop him from doing that. He's got that stupid bacterial infection, and it makes it worse when he messes with it. And man, it's I talked to the vet, and I thought that I feel like the antibiotics aren't really working for him for this bacterial infection, and they basically did it. We did a culture test on it, and the vet called me and just like pretty much said like, yeah, it's a normal bacteria, it should be working, blah blah blah. I'm like, well,
he's been on antibiotics for a really long time, hasn't he?
Oh yeah.
So that might be an issue.
Yeah,
might have to change up and get a different type of antibiotic. Or
he basically told me that in a roundabout way that I need to like spend more time cleaning his skin. So I'm like, okay, well, I'll but it's like, it's so expensive. I get this like spray. What is he's back over there doing it again already?
Damn dogs, they just do what they want to do.
Apple cider vinegar drops in his ears will clear up everything for a few days. Well, it's a little bit different, Zooman. It's because he's got like a literal like skin infection with bacteria, so he's got like a bunch of hot spots, and it's like whenever he like rubs his ear and stuff, it kind of like it's spreading onto his ear, and it like spreads around a bit. So Frenchies and vet costs. Yes. You don't even want to know how much this guy has cost me. So in the future, if I love French Bulldogs. They're honestly like the best dog I've ever had. But in the future, if I ever get one, 100% going to get insurance for it, because they end up having skin issues. This guy had 2 spinal surgeries, and now he's been, lung problems and antibiotics for years now. It's like, oh my God. Yeah, he's on antibiotics, right? Yeah. It wouldn't be a bad idea. I should try some drops on some of the spots. It might help.
So I know bulldogs can't give birth on their own. They have to have their puppies cesarean. Are
really?
Frenchies the same way?
I don't think so because from my understanding, he was born regularly. So my brother, it's actually from my brother's dogs. He had a male and a female, and they mated, and then Ralph came out and he looked exactly like my old American bulldog, which is named Roman. So he's like, dude, like you gotta take this dog. Like he looks exactly like your American bulldog, like white fur with a brown patch on his head and a black patch around his eye. And it's like, yeah, they're like, and they were like best buddies when I first, because I still had Roman then. And then unfortunately, about 2 months after I got Ralph, Roman passed away from like lung cancer.
Oh,
So, yeah, he one day he was like and like blood came out, and I'm like, what the hell's going on? So pretty strong push there, hey guys, on this last candle here on NQ 905 900 all the way to 921 there. I still remember when Ralph first met Roman. I was walking them down the street, and Ralph was just this little puppy, and so I had them both on a leash. And Roman's like just all walking like this big, dog, and then Ralph is just like looking up at him, just like walking beside him, just looking up at him, like, "Oh, you're my friend." And then I feel like Roman's soul went into Ralph because like Roman was such an amazing dog, and then Ralph has been such an amazing dog also, and their personalities were very similar. But he won't stop rubbing his ear.
yeah, that's one of the reasons why I like mutts. You get a purebred dog, they always have like skin issues, hip problems, all these different health issues. And I know a lot of it depends on the breeders, but you end up with a mutt, like you find a dog that looks like a lion shagged a whippet, and that's the dog that will fetch your newspaper, grab your slippers for you, take your dry cleaning, cook you breakfast.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, a cone might be a good idea for him. Well, is this thing gonna make a new high here? What's going on with ES? Are we no? ES is popping up a bit, but until we get over that VWAP, hard to say we're gonna be being really bullish on NQ either.
At 917, I can't be bullish or bearish on anything yet.
Mustang Tropical. Yes, we got all-time high 29,995 on NQ, all-time high 75.70 on ES. So we are closer on NQ. Dow's looking pretty bearish actually. We're all the way down at like previous day's VWAP, like Friday's VWAP.
Yeah, it's bouncing. It just bounced off the -2 deviation band. Came up a little bit from that, but is moving right back down now.
Yeah, lots of bearish fair value gaps above.
I haven't even pulled up any fair value gap indicators. But we are at previous day's value area high on YM at 50,820. So we're just above that right now. And we also just created a new London low.
I'm wondering if that's an indication that it's going to go close the gap this morning.
I am not qualified to make that prediction. So, do you use Edgeful at all?
No, I haven't paid the subscription, so I don't want to spend more money than I already am. Bookmap is enough.
I feel like I spend too much money on shit that I'm starting to wonder, like TradeZella and Edgeful and all of the things that I use like maybe once a week. Because TradeZella, I barely use it anymore.
Yeah. I mean, I'm only just uploading my trades so I can see how the month is going. Other than that, like I'm not logging, I'm not doing markups and daily reviews and stuff like I was before. So
yeah, I just got sick of writing the same damn thing over and over and over again in my TradeZella notes. Like, yeah, I took another VWAP trade. Yeah, I took another VWAP trade. After you do you do the same trade 4,000 times, it gets a little bit irritating writing out notes.
Price retested VWAP, found support. First candle went bullish, entered long, trailed stop, blah, 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 over and over. Might as well just copy and paste it.
Yeah, now for anybody watching, if you haven't taken the same trade 4,000 times, TradeZella is great. When I that first 6 months, just learning what my bad habits were helped a lot.
Yeah, especially with how quick your trades are. If you're putting the stop into profit, then you reattempt it 3 times, and it's like, okay, well, same trade 3 times, you get to log it all.
Yeah, and as far as knowing what my month is like, just look at my bank account.
Yeah,
that's a much better indicator than some arbitrary number on a website.
Paul said, I suspect it'll drop to fill the Sunday gap up. So down to 285 before pushing back up. Yeah, I mean, there's a good chance we might do that. I wouldn't be just jumping into a short, though, just because of that. Maybe if we get below previous day high with some momentum, like some volume, then can look at trying to get a trade down towards that level. So are you looking at NQ or ES, Paul? 285.
Yeah, I was just looking for 285 too, and I'm not.
I got 670 as the start of the gap for NQ, and the bottom of it is 539. Or is it 28 something? No.
It's not YM.
And ES is sort of like 74.86 all the way to 75.17. NQ, are you looking at a different contract maybe?
Yeah, because I'm looking at the continuous contract on NQ.
Are you talking about the close? 285. 285 is way down. 285 is well past the gap. I don't know if we're just looking at different. Maybe on just NQ? Let me take a look at NQ contract here. Yeah, I'm seeing the gap from like 540 up to 675. So even down more. 285. Like over here, but there's nothing here. Or is it a previous gap also from a different session?
Yeah, because Sunday's low is around 29,679.
Because this is kind of the gap in my mind right here. 131 points here. The top of it's, 671. The bottom is 539.
We go back to Thursday. We got 282.90. Actually, 285 shows up as a key level from Thursday. Oh, I love it. Down more. That oil limit order you got sitting down at $82 level, when price hits that level, do you set an alarm to alert you if you're on profit or not and manage? Now, I have a stop loss put in at like $1,500. It's either going to go up from that level or it's going to stop me out at 1,500. I'm not going to manage an oil trade like that right now. Managing oil trades without, I like to put a stop loss in and just leave it. I do not want to manage an oil trade. Price bounces all over hell's half acre every time there's another stupid fucking tweet. And no, it's just too much stress for me.
And there's lots of those.
Unfortunately.
A whole bunch of mixed signals again, hey, last night. They're agreeing to remove the uranium, but then they're like, but they want China to take it.
Who the fuck knows?
And it's like, well, how is the U.S. gonna agree or know that China's actually gonna take it? I mean, I'm sure China wouldn't mind getting it.
Yeah, with the all the nonsense that have been going on with Iran, it's like I don't know what to believe.
I know.
I don't believe any. I actually just don't believe any of them at this point.
Well, that's part of the problem too, is that they can't really be honest about it anyways, because then they're kind of giving away all the stuff to the other side if they are whatever, right? If they're like, oh, well, we're gonna stop the war, well, they can't really be truthful with the other side either, which is kind of complicates it on a different layer.
If that really was the case,
yeah,
then shut the fuck up. That's it. End of story.
Yeah, that's true.
Stop talking about it. Stop putting shit out in the news, telling them, telling all of the U.S. that, oh yeah, we're gonna end this war in 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, however many weeks it's been going on now. Saying that, oh, we got a ceasefire. Oh, well, and now we're gonna break that ceasefire in self-defense. That'd be like me walking into your backyard, shooting you in the foot and going, yeah, it's self-defense. He was coming at me.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. And it doesn't help that we got every fucking idiot out there that's like, oh, we got the drunk from Fox News as the Secretary of Defense now. Well, that's brilliant. Remember that video of David Hasselhoff drunk in a bathtub? That's Kash Patel and Pete Hegseth right there.
Oh, yeah.
Drunk in a bathtub, smearing cheeseburgers on their titties and giving each other googly eyes.
Back to the VWAP here.
Got 1 minute until market open.
Oh, thank you for that.
How are we gonna do this? Do I just hit the buy button now?
There we go. We're open. Get my VWAPs going here.
Shake out these resting orders.
Damn, the VWAP was the buy right there. Whether it's going to be long-lived or not is a different story,
Yeah.
but when they say no endless wars, it means they'll be extending it. Yeah.
Oh, what's going on here?
Some volatility.
Just a wee little bit.
Skeletor's waiting on the 50-minute orb.
Wow, that 1 minute candle is just playing with VWAP too,
Yeah,
which
I don't trust it.
I don't trust it at all.
That 900 is a bit of a key level, though. So if they're going to be bullish, we got to hold that. Or at least get it above there.
Get your finger off the button.
Mustang Tropical.
Woo! That's me. That's me.
This song's so like upbeat.
Just like me. Upbeat. Happy as hell.
Dow's ripping down.
So I'm going long NQ. 10 minutes.
Not financial
just
advice,
playing
everybody.
with. No, God, no. And I was joking. I'm not doing that.
Of course,
Yeah,
I know.
that 900
Everybody knows
level
that.
is just sitting at it.
Yeah.
We got resting orders equidistant from current price, above and below.
Yeah, 950 and 850.
Yep.
Mixed bag.
Wow. Dave, this price action isn't even good enough for the whores you date.
Right?
Aren't you glad you didn't take that long off of VWAP on the open?
Yeah. Well, if you managed it tight, you could have caught the bouncer, but yeah, it was very short-lived, so you got to be quick.
Yeah, I'm not feeling that quick today.
Feels like it's time to take the elevator. Uh-oh. It does seem that way at the moment.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I think you may be onto something there.
Who gave you the crystal ball, Jerry? Why is my VWAP not showing up here on NQ? Oh, that's why I went to the wrong NQ contract still.
Oh,
like I dropped,
that's not good.
Well, it's on my trading view chart, so it's just that's why I'm like I just dropped it on there and it didn't show up. So there we go. Okay, well, first 5-minute candle in, and it's bearish. We're down below the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. We do have a bullish fair value gap down at right here, 29,832. Heading back up to the 200 EMA here.
Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna take it? What do you think?
I don't know. Pretty bearish though.
I'm not thinking it is. I'm thinking this is gonna continue going down here.
Yeah, we don't really have much for orders above at the moment. But, you know, we did have those two big wicks down there, you know, below 840. So I'm curious to see if that's actually going to be sort of where they hold it. We had a whole bunch of consolidation overnight there. Went sideways for quite a while, and that's kind of where that fair value gap is. So, Blacko News, you're over this market? Yeah, right now it isn't. It's not as nice as it was when we were just keep making all-time highs. That was.
Can we get back to that, please?
Can we just like buy and wait and make money, please? Like that's the market that I was like in there for a bit. Obviously, there's that risk of a tweet coming out or a truth or whatever you want to call it, but or a lie coming out. Maybe I should say that.
Is NQ gonna bounce up now? What's going on here?
Yeah. I attempted a short there, but I got a little worried, so I put stop in there and made $6.
All right, that's $6.
I got a coffee. Your music's on a loop? Yeah. Let's see if we got some other music we can put on here. Mustang tropical.
Oh, this is not my idea of a good time waiting for this.
Yeah, we're pretty choppy at the moment. Yes, bounced a bit. YM's bouncing. NQ sort of bouncing. I did. Oh, shit. I was gonna say I'm in a long here, but stopped it out on the pullback. In the profit.
You thought you were in a long.
It just looked like it was gonna catapult there. And yeah, it is going up. Be careful here. We're coming up to that VWAP though.
YM's going down, NQ's going up.
Typical. Well, 30K incoming or what? Dave, NQ took out the fair value gap and bounced, like you said. Yeah, it did. It held that. It held this 29,832 area, which was also where I saw those two big wicks. So this would have definitely been a good entry there. 832. Monkeys, yeah. Can I not get stopped every time? Damn. Oh, I hate that.
All right, I'm in my NQ long. I just locked in $400.
Nice. I should have been up a few $100s here too on that stupid trade. Screwed up.
Locking in 600.
40 points.
And at 800.
Damn it. Missed a long again. Great long from the VWAP. Took 2 micros. Nice trade, Andrea. Fire.
Just locked in 1500.
Wow, Nick. Good job. You add into that?
Oh, yeah. I got 4 minis in right now.
Nice.
And one more mini. Don't pull back on me. Back up there. All right. 2,300.
Nice trade.
Woo.
Wow. And that was before the opening range set. Nice trade.
Made my $1,200 loss back. plus 1100. I will take it.
I'm in the long here too. Let's keep going here, boys. Let's go. Locking in a bunch there. Don't stop. Don't stop. All right, I'm out. 82 bucks. Not bad.
Deal. I'm in this long again. Price at 29,918.75. 2 minis.
New candle here on the 5 minute.
Locked in 300. Locked in 500.
I'm definitely more comfortable long. I feel like I've been finding more of a groove on the long side, and whenever we're in a bearish market, I end up blowing out money, giving it away.
Set up your trader's post to only longs.
You're back to break even, Blackout News. Nice job, buddy. I'll take being back to green. I'm done. Screw this. Hey, smart move, man. Smart move. Nick's just banking right now. Look at this next candle. Whew.
Yeah, I just locked in $1,100. I'm up 2,200 right now.
Wow.
2,500.
Yeah, 30K's incoming. Looks like
2,600. Oh, 24. At 27.
pretty risky to get in long here now if you're not already in the trade.
And I'm out.
Nice job. Don't chase this, guys. We're getting up there, and we're getting to that 995, which is a rejection area. I mean, not saying we're not going to go to 30K. Like, if you're in a long, don't be scared out of it, but just don't try to buy it up here and, you know, look for the last 10 points and then have it turn around all the way back down to 940, right?
So that was my 2 long trades.
Yeah, Blackout News in this market, right? Especially.
I'm done for the day. That was
Nice job,
about I think that was about all of my mental capital just all shot out at once.
Well, I got this account from minus 400, whatever it was, down to 250, negative 250. So made some progress getting that back.
Blackout News, yeah, okay. Blackout News is doing what I said, long only. Candle dealer, thank you. That was a stressful 45 seconds. Hey, we're gonna hit that all-time high again here.
Took my 70 points on NQ, tempted to call it a day just after 50 minutes on the chart. Yeah, Czar, do it, man. That's like the dream day right there.
Yeah,
Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting live right now.
Lots of orders above here, guys. We got like 700 contracts between 87 and 30K. 987 to up to 30K here. So just be careful up here. Don't chase it now.
hey, don't go chasing waterfalls. Yeah.
Who sings that song again? Those Nice Girls? Something?
Some pop girl band from the 90s.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. $650 here.
Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, big losses. That's it.
Okay, this is weird. My limit order on oil is no longer, it's gone.
Oh,
Didn't get picked up. It just is no longer on the chart.
weird.
Check my working orders here.
Oh, yeah, TLC, you're right. Zumane.
That's the weirdest compliment I ever
Huh. All right. So it's no longer in my working orders either. So I don't know what happened to it. Force fed. Don't go chasing boner candles.
Totally.
That's just wonderful.
Then tomorrow we trade again. All right, guys, couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like another. Yeah. Yeah, trade like another. Don't move reckless. Basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the
Holding that 950 at the moment. Nope. No longer holding it. Some sellers coming in here. Pretty high volume. Goblin the CVD. Yes, YM also both rolling over here.
That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long-term, respect the stuff. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows, no stress. Risk management, that's success.
I was getting coffee at the drive-thru when you repeated my comment that the dude handing me my coffee gave me a weird look. Don't go chasing motor candles. CL also cranking higher. Dave, I cannot get over that fair value gap at 832. Like I mentioned, I saw it too, but I was not quick enough on the trigger to buy. Yeah, I mean, that one definitely held. It was nice. And we held it from pre-market multiple times, right? MMs, now we expect 30K. Yeah.
Cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oh, too slippery, slips through hands. Nah, that's mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it'll take your stops. Stack highs, liquidity sits. Stack lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Chat go wild when the candle's long. Bone a candle, yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex, we here long-term, respect the step. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless, basic stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG field and we press it. NQ wow, but we stay composed.
Dave, I'm half thinking that the London high is going to be a support level.
Yeah.
29,930. We're above VWAP. We got a whole lot of orders.
Guys. Wow. Look at this candle here. Holy smokes, man. I'm in 350 bucks here. 370, 400. Out. Woo.
Nice.
Trade,
Good
man.
trade.
Holy smokes. Look at this thing still going up. Wow. That was amazing.
That was a really nice trade, Dave.
So, got that account now back only down 71 bucks from 400.
Awesome.
Whew. So I went in four, and it went into slight drawdown. As it came back to my price, I added another 4, and then it just freaking rocketed up. Just rocketed up. Holy smokes. Whew. Getting me a little bit of confidence back this morning.
Hey.
But again, this is I think the market that I've been kind of excelling in lately is this buy the bullish momentum.
Strong bullish movement. You're doing real well with.
So I recovered 50% of yesterday's loss so far.
You recovered 50% of a $2,000 loss by 9:57 a.m.
Yeah.
That sounds like a pretty damn good day, Dave.
Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like another. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Entered 229, 951, added 960, and then trailed it up and got out at 977. And that was a fast freaking move too. It was just rocketing up.
Trading like a rock star over here.
Trying to learn how to do the add-ins like good old Saint Nick here.
You seem to be getting it.
Trying. It's not easy. It kind of goes against what I normally, where my impulses are, is where in the past it was like, oh, it's pulling back a bit. Well, I can get a better price if I add it now, which is, it works until it doesn't. And when it doesn't, it blows your account.
It really doesn't.
Yeah.
You're gonna hate me, Dave. I'm in with 4 minis right now, up 840 bucks.
Nice. I'm not gonna hate you at all.
I appreciate that.
Just made a new all-time high right there. 98, 998. 30K coming or what? We're right there. 509 contracts at 30K. And
pulled back on me, got stopped out for 160.
oh wow.
I should have closed that
At the
way
all-time high
earlier than I was. That
like at the all-time high area.
Yeah, I didn't have it on that chart.
Okay. Well, hey, money's money. Is that in your prop account or just a cash account?
That's in a funded account.
Okay, nice. There we go, 30K. Oh my gosh. Finally, guys. Right. And rip right through it all the way to 20.
You know what? I'm done. Yeah. I'm done with this shit.
I mean, you made a lot of money. So
yeah, I don't think I'm taking any more mini trades today. If I do anything, it's going to be on micros. I'm already up on everything. I made back my $1,200 loss.
Consumer confidence came through right at that moment, eh? Gave it that little juice. But it's I mean, it's a medium red folder, right? So
yeah, it wasn't U of M. U of M is the big one. Skeletor, have a good day at work. And you're up $85. You're green for the day, is what you mean to say. Not only up.
Only up? Yeah, don't worry, bro.
Yeah, it's not only up. You're green for the day. That's awesome.
85 is nice, for sure. I've been throwing on a little extra size today because I'm recovering losses here.
Tony, wasn't that the title of your first movie that you starred in that went straight to video?
Oh yeah.
Throwing around size here.
Yeah. One of those adult videos you're talking about?
Yeah, I didn't watch it.
Like OnlyFans.
I saw the cover art and that was more than enough for me.
I saw Darren in the chat earlier. He said he was hanging out watching, but not trading today or something. Hey, Paul Memphis was here this morning.
Yeah.
Nice. Angia Inc. Trading. Hello, by the way. I gotta say, our channel is getting busier, eh? I mean, we got 24 people watching right now, which is pretty decent for the morning sessions. I guess I gotta change a song or else Jeff's gonna get annoyed here. Jeff should be the DJ, man. Can you just log on and be the DJ, Jeff? You just hang out in the background and just change the songs whenever you feel like it's getting boring.
Everybody got a story. With the market, they don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at.
All right, we took 30K and now we're pulling back. So are they taking 30K and then they're going to go fill the gap after that? Not financial advice. I mean, there probably is more upside, right? Because ES hasn't made a new all-time high or even close to it.
So that being said, if you were going to go long, I'd wait for ES to break above New York VWAP. Or, I'm sorry, above
overnight. Yeah,
overnight VWAP, and start looking at longs there, back up to London high at 75.51. Yeah, we're above the deviation bands, and we're essentially in price discovery right now. So, and we just pushed above
If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I
Did
see
we?
too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you.
Yeah, it's playing with overnight VWAP right now, so
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice little pop there.
a little bit of a pop. I mean, I'll take it.
NQ's pulling back. Well managed to get my loss back from pre-market. Good job, Tim. Like to hear that.
So you, I don't know if you noticed this, but both NQ and ES are in pretty strong uptrends. YM is in a real strong downtrend.
Yeah, I see that.
Again, just doing its own thing, being a contrarian,
What's the guy do that for?
just being an asshole. Man, I'm just glad I made back that loss that I took this morning pre-market. That was that pissed me off.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story.
RTY all-time highs too? Okay, nice.
Think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows?
RTY. Oh, wow. RTY is so bullish, man.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Looks like NQ. Without the pullback.
Whoa. Man, maybe we should start trading the Russell too.
I know, right? There you go. Still making new
No,
highs.
I don't need to start learning another.
Yeah.
That's not. I have a feeling if I tried, it would not go well for me.
How's oil doing this morning? Oil was bullish, which is weird. This is going with the market.
Yeah, it's been doing that occasionally over the past month. Like, we'll end up with some weird bullshit news about Iran, and then oil starts shooting up, and NQ and ES just follow it.
They kind of like they've decoupled a little bit, right? Like sometimes it's kind of doing opposites, and then sometimes they're working together.
Normally, it's doing opposites.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean, historically speaking, if oil's going up, everything else is going down.
yeah.
Oil is what affects the price of everything. So if you're ever in doubt, look at the price of oil and make a decision after that.
Yeah. But it is pulling back now pretty hard. We went from like 94.20 down to 93.60.
Needs to get down to around 80, 81, 82. That's where I want to take a long.
Yeah.
All right, Dave. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. With the market, they don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles. Say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts. Market butcher lives. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ain't sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick.
I feel like it's hard for me to long it up here at 30K. It's been such a important target for, you know, in everyone's mind for some time now. I just wondering if, you know, it's going to be like, oh, now we hit 30K, so it's time to do a pullback. Again, not financial advice, guys. I'm just talking out loud here, just kind of expressing a few concerns here. I mean, if we look at the book map, we do have orders above, right? We got orders up at 20, 25, 30, and 50.
Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive.
Hey, laughter.
Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, yeah, I don't trust you.
It's still burning.
Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like
I was just saying while you're gone there, it's like, I mean, we're bullish. We're probably going to go higher, but you know that 30K level has been such an important level on everyone's mind. I wouldn't be surprised if we like get a deep pullback here, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm not in anything right now. Look at ES though. ES is printing up above VWAP. It just hit that 75.4780.
Maybe ES is the guy to trade at the moment.
At the moment, yeah. We're heading up towards that first deviation band. And
Just took it. Or took one band there. I think I have my bands are a little bit different than yours though. But
yeah, my first deviation band 7,554. Price discovery won't happen until after it gets above 75.65.
Like mine's actually rejecting off of the second deviation band there.
Wait a minute, let me look at your chart here.
On ES.
Is that the New York VWAP?
Yeah. Or you're looking at the overnight?
I'm looking at the overnight.
Gotcha.
Here, let me switch mine over to regular trading hours. Yeah, regular trading hours, it's rejecting off of +2 deviation band.
Okay.
So yeah, we got the same thing, but yours is set to regular trading hours.
Yeah.
Now, if it can break through 75.4820 and manage to stay above that, I'll take a long.
We're pretty well above the opening range.
Well, I'll take that with a couple of micros this time. I'm not gonna risk really anything now. I'm playing with house money at this point, so
yeah. Kind of flirting with the overnight VWAP here on this little pullback. What time do we got here? 7:13. I got about 15 minutes till I'm heading over there.
yeah, I might be cutting the stream a little bit short today because wow.
Because you're already nicely green.
Yeah, I mean, I'll sit here and be moral support for everybody in the chat, but other than that, I don't know if I'm going to be taking anything unless I end up with a really pretty setup.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive.
ES is due for a little bit of a pump here.
trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account.
Yeah, you weren't wrong.
We building that amount. You want big wins? Cool.
Here it comes.
I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that.
Yeah, and I entered along there, and then I ended up getting stopped on the pullback in the break even.
Did you what? Just now?
Yeah, I entered at 75, 45, 75, and then I put my stop 146, one tick into the money, and it ended up pulling back right before it made that move higher there.
Got it.
Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pull.
I haven't set my midnight open price. I just noticed I'm like, oh, where's my midnight open price doing way over there?
Did you just forget it?
Yeah, I just haven't allocated it yet.
You do midnight opening price rather than the close?
Yeah, I do it right at the start of the candle at midnight on the 5 minute. I just usually put it right at the opening price. I don't think it really makes that much difference, right? Either one would probably be fine. It's not maybe like a 5 point difference or something, right? 10 point difference.
Yeah, unless you get a huge candle for midnight, it's not going to make that much of a difference. You're using it as a level to trade to or away from, so you're not. It doesn't need to be exact.
Yeah. Lafta said, "Mustang, run! Markets are getting funky."
Where's our take the money and run guy?
Terrence. Mr. Terrence. I logged in. I was like watching a stream really quick last night for a few minutes, and I saw Jeff in the chat asking about if key trades, if he uses standard deviations, and he's like, "No, what's that? Never even heard of it."
I don't know who's key trades.
Key trades. He's a pretty well-known trader on YouTube, anyways. Pretty popular, anyways. Because I was like, I wasn't really watching, but then I heard him say standard deviations. No, I don't even know what that is, kind of thing. And then I turned over, I looked, and I scrolled through the chat messages, and then I'm like, oh, there's Jeff. I'm like, just bringing it up. It's like somebody's watching on our stream.
Yeah.
The standard deviation love.
It is. I do find it kind of humorous that. Hold up. There's your ES pump. All right.
Yeah.
All right, I locked in $100. See if this keeps pumping.
don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stick it up slow,
I'm locking in 175.
cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live.
325.
Was barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me patient.
All right. Made 325 on that one.
Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random.
All right.
Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back.
I don't understand what happened there. So I took a 4 contract long. This is only my second trade. So my first trade, I made what was it? $2.50. And then my second trade I made says it made $15. But then my account says $4.80
Costs and commissions.
for ES is pretty expensive or what?
What prop firm are you trading on?
Top 1 futures.
Yeah, that's costs and commissions.
Holy crap, man.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Angia locked her account, went 3 minis long.
Nice job. I said I will not try 5 anymore, but I'll do 3 or 4. Nice job.
I like this. A trade a day keeps the JOB away.
Yeah. I use the bathroom. Be right back.
Go for me too. In all honesty, the reason why I started scalping is because anytime I'm in a long-term trade, I end up having to pee and I don't have catheters. Force bet. You're not going to get into trouble. You're going to trade like an adult.
I'm pretty sure the Lucid cost and commissions are a lot lower than that. That was a Jared Wesley quote. I watched a lot of his stuff when I got into trading. Nice. No degen mode? Nope. Try not to.
Yeah, force fed. Don't do it. It's Tuesday. You have all week to lose money. Wow, when you look at a 15-minute regular trading hours chart on ES, it is just a lot of green.
Green.
It's just a whole lot of green.
And lots of big wicks on the bottom side. Buyers are definitely there. Catheters in my PP sucked. Never again. Ooh.
Oh, come on. Do that shit for fun. It's like foreplay.
Lost 2K on 2 of your 5 accounts yesterday. Not going to press it today? Yeah, for sure. Sounds like what I did yesterday. Ugh. Set back my week a bit there.
Only 21 likes, hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAP tag, yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this palm. Yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. MES running slow.
Looks like we got a whole bunch of orders up at 30,100, eh?
I haven't looked at Bookmap. We got 128 orders sitting at 30,250. So either somebody knows something we don't know. Actually, there's probably a bunch of people that know a lot that we don't know. CVD on ES right now is 10,841. It's that bright red stripe just above the current price, up at 75.55. Got 108 orders at 75.60, 108 at 75.55, 125 at 75.70, 139 at 75.80. It's looking like
wow, I just made 120 there on one mini, like an instant 120.
I was just gonna say, was that like half a second trade for you?
Literally, like, I don't even know how long. I literally hit buy bid and then it just went straight to the TP there.
You're still doing the buy bids and not markets?
Yeah. Sometimes I get left in the dust, but that time it worked.
I've been putting a lot more limit orders in. If price is moving up, but it's still a little bit choppy, I'll put a limit order in at the bottom of a candle and see if it gets picked up.
Yeah.
And just trade it with the continuation.
Okay, well, I got 5 minutes here. I should probably get ready to head over there. So make sure, come say hi, everybody. Flood the stream with some love at E8 if you guys can.
Oh, I'm going to.
You can say lots of bad shit if you want. I'm down. I'll laugh. You can come in there and roast me.
Nobody's gonna do that except for me. I'll do that just because I'm a dick.
I will. I'm just gonna link the stream here for when I do get in there.
Oh yeah.
And I'll put it in the Discord too, just in case.
Up these base hits. We'll let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food.
Okay, I'm gonna take off from here. I'll leave this, and good luck, guys. See you in a bit. If you keep streaming, when I'm done there, I don't know if you're gonna be off or not, but I can always come back on ASAP.
Yeah,
I don't know how long we'll be, but
I honestly don't know. Like I said, I've been up since midnight my time, so I may not be here by the time you're done.
Okay.
Tell Abby to behave herself, and I'll see you in a little while.
Sounds good. Okay. See you guys later. Leaving the studio here. Not gonna shut down the studio.
Don't shut it down again.
I learned my lesson. Okay, see you guys.
See you in a bit.
We're just getting live right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go.
Mick Riker, another profitable orb trade. Nice. You got connections like that, ForceFed? Hook a brother up.
Late night futures, global.
Ooh. Anybody in a trade now? Nancy says JGL. All right. Zara, you had a runner on NQ? Yeah, that was a wild first hour. Chris ain't shit. Why didn't you tell me my chart wasn't up? Just looking at my ugly mug. I need to turn this music down. That's a little ridiculous. But I do appreciate all of you sending us all these lovely songs. The 80s rock is holds a special place in my heart. All right, MES is sitting at 75.50 right now. It's kind of stalled out, and Bookmap is printing some orders underneath it now. We got 360 orders at 75.45, which may just be a look and see if it's algos. It's about 50% algos at 75.45. So CPD is at 11,374. NQ is looking pretty hot, up at 30,100. Oil's moving back up. It's at 93.73 now. It's 65 orders down at 93, 57 up at 95. And gold's a dog today. It's not doing a whole hell of a lot. Everybody's trading NQ and oil, apparently, or ES and oil. There are a lot of orders on ES. But watching this come back towards that first deviation band. Tim Korth is long on MES. Nice. All right, I am going to go up and get in some air conditioning because it is again getting hot here. I'll be back. Talk amongst yourselves. Go pick on Dave a little bit. Oh, wait, hold on, let me pull this up real quick. There we go. Yeah, Dave forgot to leave his chart up or to put my chart back on. All right, I'll be right back. All right. This is turning out to be a much better day than I thought it was going to be. Hmm. Looks like ES is starting to stall out a little bit here. And NQ is starting to push up a little bit more again. All right, just took an NQ long, price at 30,114. A little bit underwater on this one right now. Now, if anybody's watching this, somebody needs to keep me in control so I don't overtrade. If I start doing anything stupid, be sure to roast me and let me know. All right. So I am going to cut this trade here shortly. I'm up 50 bucks. Oh, down 50. Hmm. All right, I think we may have to cut this trade here. See where. No, I'm gonna leave it in. Why not? Like I said, at this point, I'm playing with house money, so I'm gonna leave this trade in. I think it's gonna go up a little bit higher and break through that 3,118 mark. And I'm hoping it happens with this 5-minute candle. I don't want to be sitting in this for more than 5 minutes. I will if I have to, but I just don't want to. I don't want that kind of stress in my life right now. And Dave's over talking to Abby about dogs, and she had to pull up her donut, her little donut cat. Okay, still not in profit with this. I think I took this trade at exactly the wrong time. It's going to chop around at this price and irritate me for probably far too long. Has everyone gone over and messed with Dave on E8? I hope so. I've been sitting in this trade for about 4 minutes now. Still not green, but I expect it will be shortly. I'm hoping. Maybe. Maybe. All right, here's where NQ is going to launch. Low Earth orbit, here we come. I figured if I said it, it might happen. Unfortunately, it didn't. Well, that was a shit trade. I'm out. So on that note, I think I may be done for the day. All right. Is anybody in a trade right now? Well, it is now 11 o'clock a.m. in New York. I think it is about time for me to go and take a little nap. So, if anybody's still here, y'all have a lovely afternoon. Chris, you're looking at possible short scalps. Probably not my smartest moment in life. Well, I mean, keep it tight. Don't do anything too crazy. And it should work out for you. If you're looking for short scalps on MNQ, now's not the worst time to do them. Did push off that second deviation band. It's moving back toward VWAP, so now wouldn't be a horrible time for short scalps. Thank you, Zar. We will see you tomorrow in the morning. Excuse me. Always tight stops against the main trend. Good choice. Yeah, open them up if you're trading with the trend, tighten them up if you're going against it. All right. Well, thank you everybody for coming and playing with us today. Appreciate it. And go over to the E8 Markets YouTube site and mess with Dave a little bit. I'm going to for a few seconds before I shut my laptop and go take a nap. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.